Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a young woman named Tanisha. She was a bubbly, warm-hearted lady, working as a secretary in a bustling office downtown. Her days were filled with the rhythm of life, swirling reggae beats, the aroma of jerk chicken wafting from street vendors, and the lively chatter of the city. But her heart longed for something more, a love that would match the warmth of her island home. One sunny morning, as Tanisha hurried to work, she noticed a new face at the supermarket just a block away. His name was Patrick, a charming, kind-hearted young man who had recently been appointed as the manager. He had a smile that could light up even the dullest day, and a way of speaking that made everyone feel at home. Their worlds, so close yet so separate, were about to intertwine. It all began with a chance encounter. One afternoon, Tanisha needed to pick up a few things from the supermarket. As she reached for a jar of her favorite jam, her hand brushed against Patrick's. Their eyes met, and in that instant, something sparked, an unspoken connection filled with curiosity and warmth. "Hi, I'm Patrick," he said softly, offering a genuine smile. "Let me help you with that." "Thanks, Patrick. I'm Tanisha," she replied, blushing slightly. Their conversation flowed effortlessly, filled with stories of their lives in Kingston, shared laughs, and a mutual appreciation for their island's rich culture. They discovered they both loved reggae music, late-night jerk chicken, and the beauty of the Jamaican sunset. Over the next few weeks, their encounters became more frequent. Whether it was sharing a quick coffee after work or exchanging stories about their favorite beaches, Negril's 7 Mile, or the quiet cove of Treasure Beach, they found comfort and excitement in each other's company. Patrick admired Tanisha's vibrant spirit, her kindness, and her unwavering love for her island. Tanisha was drawn to Patrick's gentle nature, his dreams to make a difference, and his infectious laughter that reminded her of the warm Caribbean sun. One evening, under the glow of the setting sun, Patrick took Tanisha to the nearby waterfront. The air was thick with the scent of salt and jasmine. He reached out, taking her hand gently. "Tanisha," he whispered, "from the moment I saw you, I knew my world was about to change. I never believed in love at first sight until I met you." Tanisha's heart raced. She looked into his eyes, seeing the sincerity and warmth there. "Patrick, I feel the same. It's like our minds were dancing to the same reggae beat from the moment we met." Their love blossomed amid the vibrant sounds of Kingston, reggae melodies, laughter, and the simple joy of shared moments. Despite the hustle of their busy lives, they found serenity in each other's arms, their bond growing stronger with every passing day. As weeks turned into months, their love story became a testament to the magic of Jamaica, a story of two young people finding each other amidst the rhythm and warmth of their beloved island. And in the heart of Kingston, Tanisha and Patrick's love story continued to flourish, a beautiful symphony of warmth, passion, and island love that would echo forever in their hearts.